In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import a PDF into Figma in just 5 minutes. Figma, as many of you know, is a collaborative interface design tool that enables designers to come together in real time. Importing PDFs can be a handy skill when you want to bring designs or documents into your Figma project for further editing or sharing with your team. Let's dive right in. First up, head over to Figma's website. If you're not familiar with it, Figma is an online design tool that operates in your browser, meaning there's no need for any software downloads. This convenience makes it accessible whether you're in the office or on the go. Once you're on the Figma homepage, you'll want to log into your account. Simply click on the Login button, which will direct you to the login page. Here, just enter your credentials if you're an existing user. If you're new to Figma and don't have an account yet, you'll need to sign up before proceeding. This process is pretty straightforward, requiring just an email and some basic information. After you've logged in, you'll find yourself in the Figma home interface. This area is where you can access your recent files and manage any shared projects. Look for the option to go to Home in Figma. This is essentially your dashboard where all your works are centrally located for easy access. Next, you'll want to locate the Import button. It's usually found in the upper part of your Figma dashboard, a familiar area next to other utility functions and options. Clicking this will bring up options for importing different types of files. Now that we've located the import section, our focus is on bringing in a PDF. You'll see an option that says Import from Computer. Click on that. You should see a file selector dialog pop up, allowing you to browse your local files. Navigate through your folders to find the specific PDF you want to import. And once you've selected it, click Open. And that's it. Your PDF will begin the import process, and depending on the size, it should only take a few moments. Once it's complete, you'll see your PDF within your Figma workspace, ready for you to begin designing or integrating as needed. In conclusion, importing PDFs into Figma is a seamless process that enhances your workflow by allowing you to incorporate external documents into your designs effortlessly. Thanks for joining me today. Be sure to check out other Figma tutorials for more tips and tricks. Until next time, happy designing.